For our Begin-A-Beanie, I've got 2 strands of yarn because we double strand for this pattern. So I've got my so it's 2 balls of yarn. I've got 2 strands here which I'm going to use throughout the beanie obviously, and to cast on. The type of cast on that we do is called a long tail cast on, which gives us a bit of extra stretch, which is good for a beanie. So to figure out how much yarn I need for my cast on, I'm casting on 44 stitches for the pattern. So I'm going to just wrap, so I want a bit of a tail about that long, 10 centimeters, and then I'm going to wrap it round the needle 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. If I wrap it 22 times, then I know that's half the length that I need for my cast on. So then I will just double that to get the full amount needed. So I will just double that. So this is why it's called a long tail cast on, because you end up with a very long tail. So that's all my cast on yarn on the left there. Right, so this is a nice, quick, easy cast on. Grab your circular needle in your right hand, and then I'm going to put the yarn over my thumb and index finger like that. Place the needle underneath and just hold the yarn in place with your right index finger, and then flip your fingers up that way, so it's like a slingshot, and then this right hand needle then goes under the thumb and up and over to the other side and through. And there I have now my first 2 stitches. So that first stitch was created by that strand of yarn that we held in place, and then I have just cast on my second stitch. So to do that again, so we've got our fingers in place here, thumb and index finger, and then we're going to flip them into a slingshot position, take our right hand needle underneath that bottom of that thumb strand and up, and then over to the index finger and over the top of that one and hook it through the loop. That's our third stitch, and I'm firming them up quite nicely, not super tight, but definitely firm. Do that again. Over underneath the thumb one and over the top of the index finger one. Let it go and firm it up. And you can get quite quick at this. So again, move our index finger and thumb into the slingshot position. Take our right hand needle underneath the thumb yarn and over top of the index yarn, and slide it off and pull those 2 so that they're nice and firm. Again, under, over. Okay, and we're going to obviously do that 44 times. Or actually we're going to do it 45 times because we need an extra stitch for the next step in our casting on. So we'll come back and do that shortly.